Hey guys, this video I'm going to show you how to try to open OneNote and do all the steps you need to do. Okay, so first thing, go down here. I have a Cortana on mine, or in the search, type in OneNote. First, that's the first step to see if you have I don't know if you can see, if you have the OneNote app on your computer. If you do, click on it. You're great. If you don't have it, go to Google and type in here, Office 365. And this is Microsoft Office OneDrive. When we did the surveys, a lot of people said, what is this? So you click on it, and mine automatically signs me in. Let me sign me out. So how to sign in? Okay. You go to sign in. Yours is somewhere. I don't know where your sign is. It's different than mine. And look, my username, you will have to type your username in, but this is just my email. So your username is just your school email. And then you type in your school password, you know, whatever you're using to get into Synergy, and you click sign in. And it might ask you to stay signed in. You probably want to stay signed in. And again, your screen will look completely different when you open it up, when you get there. But the easiest way to find OneNote is to go up to search and type in OneNote. And it should pull up with an app. Or waffle over here. OneNote is this red thing. And I'm going to click on it. And hopefully for you, under class notebooks or my notebooks or something, there should be a link for whatever hour you're in. Yeah? I'm going to click chemistry practice for Sydney because that's my aide and she doesn't care. But you're going to pick your hour. 3rd hour, 5th hour, I'll put 7th hour in here in a second. But when you go there, this is probably the standard screen you're going to see. And when you get here, over here, there's all this stuff. I don't think you have a teacher only, but I don't know. You click on your name's going to be right here, and you click this down arrow. Now, these are all the tabs that I have made for this class. The one thing I want you to do right now is click on handouts. Click on the handouts tab. And you guys will only have a syllabus. You just click on the syllabus and scroll down to the bottom and sign it. How do you sign it? Well, look up here. There's this thing that says draw. You can click on draw. You can pick a pen color. You can use your finger, I guess. Let me see. I used my finger. If you have a stylus, you can use a stylus. And if you want to sign it with your finger or a stylus or whatever, and then if you want to type, nope, that's not working. You got to undo, click on, I don't know how to type in this one. It just, oh, maybe that one. Click on that one and you can just type it in. Yeah? There you go. That's the first thing. When you get done with this video, try it and then do the poll. Yep. Okay, done. Screen. I need to stop. I don't know where that is.